Accounts Receivable is a powerful module that provides far more than routine credit and collections management. Beginning with the Options Notebook, the multi-currency capabilities provided by the add-on multi-currency module let you process and report transactions in all the currencies used by your company and your customers. The Processing Recurring Charges option lets you automatically invoice customers for standard amounts due on a regular basis. You can also choose to keep history and statistics for your customers, items, and salespeople. The Invoicing page determines how your invoice entry notebook will operate. If you intend to define an item list in Accounts Receivable, you can specify whether to show item costs when capturing invoices. Plus, you can add up to 8 additional fields to the Invoice Entry Notebook using the optional Fields and Validation Tables add-on module. On the Receipts page, you can define the default receipt type and default bank code that will be used most often during receipt transactions. The Allow Adjustments in Receipt Batches option enables you to quickly write off small amounts while entering receipts from your customers instead of forcing you to enter separate transactions for each adjustment. On the Statement page, you can assign the aging periods that Accounts Receivable uses to group transactions or balances on customer statements and analytical reports. You also have the ability to add additional fields for your customers, and you can specify how you would like the general ledger to be updated with your receivables information. Moving to the Customers Maintenance screen, you can see that each customer can belong to a national account group. This provides greater flexibility in the management of parent-child relationships within your Accounts Receivable system. The account set identifies which set of general ledger accounts will be updated by transactions posted for this customer. Of course, billing policies such as payment terms, interest charges, and taxes can be maintained for each customer. In addition, you can also enter credit limits and optional data. You can also specify which salespeople manage the customer's account, keep track of period statistics and activity statistics, and monitor customer comments. You can create customer groups to classify customer records by common characteristics and to set default entries to speed up the task of adding records for customers and national accounts. If your customers have multiple delivery addresses, you can use the Ship to Locations notebook to keep an almost unlimited number of delivery locations. When you are entering invoices or defining recurring charge records, all you have to do is simply choose an address. Half the battle with Accounts Receivable is collecting the money. Advantage Series offers powerful reporting capabilities and provides for the quick generation of an aged trial balance, allowing you to track and report on delinquent accounts with ease. Our reporting capabilities extend to automate many of the time-consuming processes such as monthly statements, dunning letters, and labels. Accounts Receivable also produces a range of processing reports. These include batch listings, posting journals, and the GL transactions reports, which are important parts of your audit trail. Another powerful feature of Accounts Receivable is the drill-down capability within the invoice batch list. You can drill down from an invoice, credit note, or debit note to view the originating transaction in order entry. We'll select this batch by double-clicking on it, and then select this icon to drill down from the AR invoice to the original invoice as it was entered in Invoice Entry. In the OE Invoice Inquiry screen, we can now view all the details of this invoice. If you use Accpac General Ledger, you can also drill down from the journal entry to the transaction in Accounts Receivable, and then to the originating transaction in Order Entry. Using the Receipts Entry window, you can easily apply receipts to outstanding invoices. You can apply previously posted prepayments, unapplied cash, and credit notes, and also change unposted receipt applications. Plus, you can use the Quick Receipt Entry feature to speed up receipt processing, which lets you make bank deposits in a timely manner. And for employees who need access to corporate financial information from remote locations, Advantage Series enables remote connectivity to your entire accounting solution via the Internet. As you can see here, the standard Advantage Series AR invoice entry screen has been accessed via a web browser, providing exactly the same data and options available from a workstation back in the office. With this feature, mobile workers can access Accpac Advantage Series wherever they have access to a web browser.